In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with ClickUp and Unito. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a Unito flow that connects ClickUp with Microsoft Excel, so your work can move seamlessly between tools. Make sure you're signed in to both platforms before we start, and that you have permission to connect accounts in your organization. Begin in ClickUp. Open your workspace and head to the Overview area. This gives you a clear starting point and helps you confirm you're in the right space and seeing the right items before building an integration. If you work across multiple workspaces, double-check the one you want to sync to Excel. Next, switch to your Unito dashboard. Click Create Flow to start building a new connection. When the Flow Builder opens, select Start Here. This launches a guided setup that keeps everything in order, which is especially helpful if it's your first time with Unito. You'll now add your first tool. Click. Add a tool to this flow. In the search field, type ClickUp, then select ClickUp from the results. This tells Unito that ClickUp will be one side of your sync. With the first tool added, it's time to add the second. Click. Add a tool to this flow again on the opposite side. In the search field, type Microsoft Excel, then select Microsoft Excel from the options. You've now defined both ends of the connection, ClickUp and Excel. Unito will prompt you to choose an account for Excel. Click Choose Account. If you haven't connected Excel to Unito before, select Connect a new Microsoft Excel account. Follow the secure Microsoft sign-in to grant access. Use the account that owns or has access to the workbook you plan to sync, and if your organization uses single sign-on or admin approvals, make sure those are in place. If you're already signed in and see your account listed, simply pick it instead of adding a new one. After the connection is authorized, return to the Flow Builder and click Choose Account again to finalize your selection. This confirms which Excel account Unito will use in the flow. Take a moment to ensure the correct ClickUp workspace and Excel account are visible on each side. That's it for the core setup. From here, you'll be ready to continue through Unito's Builder to choose where in ClickUp and which Excel workbook or table you want to sync, and later refine rules, mapping, and direction. For now, you've successfully created a flow foundation linking ClickUp and Microsoft Excel through Unito.